5 quick tips for creating a case in self-service. 1. Get your information ready. Have information at hand that you might need to create a new case. If you have a document to upload, make sure you know where it's saved on your device. 2. Navigate to New Case. For more information, please visit the Sicon Product Help and User Guides on our website at www.sicon.co.uk. 3. Create a case. Fill in the required fields, edit the analysis codes to add the BP case reference, and press Save. 4. Add files to the Attachments tab. Add any relevant files or screenshots necessary to the case in the Attachments tab. 5. View the status of your case. You can view the status of your case by going to the case list and searching for your case by filtering them. Please remember to select the complete filter if you can't see your case.